Hi, y'all. So, I am going to start working on a new block print, and as if you saw my last video, you saw that my registration was a little wonky. So, I have built a better um, jig to fit my lino into. This one's pretty snug. If not, I might put some paper in here to get it just right. I'm going to keep it pushed up against the back. Um, and I have marked where I want my paper to be each time. And I have uh, invested in some Terns Burton tabs. I actually got two different sets. I have the plastic ones that work with these tabs. They snap on. And then I also got the stainless steel ones directly from them that I can punch holes in, and then it fits perfectly right on there. And it'll come off. The only problem with that is when you punch the holes, you'd have to cut that off. So then you're left with a shorter piece of paper. Since I'm working with a 4x6, and I think I'm going to be using the entire thing, I'm going to go with the plastic ones that I don't have to mar the paper up. And so if I want the top of my paper to come here, sit right there in that spot. I'm going to want the end of that to kind of fit right on the edge. See, I'm going to be in a little bit of trouble here, so I'm going to have to add another board. Nah. Voila! Paper fits there. Keep it down in place. Other one, there we go. I'm going to re-tape this so it's right at the bottom. Okay, so there's the first one. Now I want to do all the pages in this series right now so that they're all lined up, ready to go. And even this, I'm gonna need to retape that. It's falling right on the edge. Means this guy is going to need to be removed. There we go. That's better. And then we're just going to tape those down and keep going. And I don't know if I had mentioned this before, but you're going to want twice as many tabs as you're going to be using your paper, printing paper, because you need 2 tabs per sheet. So if I'm printing 25 prints, I'm going to need 50 tabs. I think they come in packs of 50. I also notice when I'm taping these down, I want the edge of the tape to be lined up with the paper, or else it sticks to the jig, which makes it a little bit harder to remove, like that. Okay, here's the final sheet. Okay, there you have it. So all my tab sheets are ready to go, and they all line up, register perfect, pretty perfect anyway. So we'll see during the first print, at least. But each one can just, you should hold the paper up, snap them into place, and then lay your paper down to get the perfect registration each time. And you can lift it up, re-ink it if you need to, and lay it back down, and it should lay in the perfect spot. In case you made a mistake or something, you can redo that. That's the good thing about the Terns Burton pins. Thank you very much for joining me, and we will see you soon.